In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Wix completely for free in June 2025 and how to lock in the best price if you decide to upgrade. What's up, you guys? My name is Ashley, and if you've been thinking about building a website, now is the perfect time. Wix is offering a free trial so you can explore everything it has to offer before committing to anything. Whether you're building a personal site, portfolio, or launching an online business, Wix makes it super simple. And with the free trial, you can build your site confidently without even putting your credit card information in. So to begin, what is Wix? If you've never used Wix before, it's one of the easiest website builders out there, and I mean that in the best way. It's a drag and drop platform, so you don't need to know how to code or mess with anything complicated. You literally choose a template, click on the parts you want to change, and customize it however you like. So whether you're building a blog, a business site, an online store, or even a portfolio, Wix has a template and all of the tools you need really simply laid out. What's cool is that it's super flexible, so you can keep things super simple or dive into more advanced features like custom animations, member areas, email marketing, and even selling digital products. It's built for people who want their website to look polished without hiring a designer or developer, and it just works. That's why millions of users around the world trust Wix to power their online presence. So if you want to get started with the free trial, all you have to do is use our exclusive link in the description below, and it'll take you straight to the offer. All you have to do is click that link, type in your email address, and click start now. You don't even have to add a credit card information in at all until you're ready to upgrade to one of the premium plans. So you can play around and build without even paying a dime. So you can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple, or go ahead and just create it from a separate email, type in your password, and click login, and you're good to go. If you are looking to upgrade, I did just want to show you what the different plans are so you're aware. They've got a couple of different options here. They've got the Business Elite, the Business, the Core, and the Lite. Starting off with the Lite plan is $17 per month, and you get a free domain for a year, 2 gigabytes of storage space, multi-cloud hosting, and Lite marketing suite, and 2 site collaborators. So this is just a great way to get started and remove the Wix branding, because with the free site, they will have the Wix branding on there. So that is the only thing. With the Core, this is $29 a month, and you also get the free domain, you get more storage, you get the basic marketing suite. So it's upgraded from the Lite. You also can accept payments. This gives you the basic e-commerce and ups you to 5 site collaborators. And then with the business, this is $36 a month. And again, you get the free domain, you get even more storage, you get the standard marketing suite. So again, an upgrade, and the standard e-commerce, which is an upgrade from the basic. And then lastly, the Business Elite, which is $159 per month. Again, you've got that free domain. You actually have unlimited storage space. You get the advanced marketing suite, e-commerce, and developer platforms, and you get 100 site collaborators. So again, they've got a plan for everyone depending on where you are at with your business. So I highly recommend Wix because I personally use it too. And it's very simple and easy to use and easy to customize. If you want to get started with the free trial, again, we've left the link in the description for you. That's it for today's video. Super simple and to the point. Just as a reminder, these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance. It really helps us to keep making educational videos to help you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.